Looking for the perfect power amplifier in 2025? Whether you're just beginning your hi-fi journey or upgrading to a high-end flagship system, this year's lineup delivers exceptional performance across every budget. 2025 brings some serious contenders. From $500 budget-friendly workhorses to $6,000 sonic masterpieces designed for true audiophiles. We've carefully selected and ranked the top 5 power amplifiers that stand out not only for their sound quality and engineering, but also for their real-world performance and value. And trust me, our number 1 pick strikes an incredible balance of finesse and power. And it's one that might just surprise you. Let's dive in and explore the best power amplifiers of 2025. Number 5. The Crown XLS1502 is a powerful and reliable amplifier that offers excellent value for just $535, making it a standout choice for those seeking professional-grade performance on a budget. Equipped with Crown's proprietary DriveCore 2 technology, this amplifier delivers clean, efficient power with minimal distortion and heat generation, ensuring reliable long-term operation. With a power output of 525 watts per channel at 8 ohms and 775 watts at 4 ohms, the XLS1502 provides ample headroom for a wide range of speakers. Whether in a live sound setup, studio environment, or home audio system, its lightweight design and integrated DSP processing make it both versatile and user-friendly. Key features include advanced protection circuits, flexible input-output options, and a comprehensive front panel interface with intuitive controls and LED metering. This amplifier is praised for its clarity, punch, and dependable performance across diverse audio applications. For audiophiles or professionals who need solid power without breaking the bank, the Crown XLS1502 combines durability, efficiency, and sound quality into a compact, affordable package. It's an excellent entry point into the world of high-performance power amplification in 2025. Number 4. The Cambridge Audio Edge W is a flagship monoblock power amplifier that represents the pinnacle of precision engineering and high-end audio performance. Priced at $4,999. Designed for discerning audiophiles who demand absolute clarity and power, the Edge W delivers an impressive 250 watts into 8 ohms and 500 watts into 4 ohms, providing exceptional dynamic range and control over any speaker. At the heart of the Edge W is Cambridge Audio's proprietary Class XA amplifier technology, which combines the low distortion of Class A amplification with the efficiency and power of Class AB. This innovative design achieves extremely low distortion, below 0.0005%, while maintaining a remarkably clean, transparent sound that reveals every subtle detail in your music. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the amplifier features a rigid chassis and advanced circuitry to minimize vibration and electrical interference, ensuring pure signal integrity. The sleek, minimalist design is complemented by high-quality components and elegant finishes, making it as visually impressive as it is sonically. Ideal for high-end stereo systems, the Edge W provides powerful, refined amplification that enhances every genre of music. For audiophiles seeking state-of-the-art sound quality and engineering, the Cambridge Audio Edge W stands as a top-tier choice in 2025. Number 3. The McIntosh MC312 is a premium stereo power amplifier that combines iconic design with world-class performance. Priced at $6,000. Known for its legendary craftsmanship and rich heritage, McIntosh delivers 300 watts per channel into 8 ohms, offering powerful, clean, and precise amplification suitable for demanding audiophiles and high-end audio systems. This amplifier features McIntosh's patented unity-coupled circuit output transformers, which ensure exceptionally low distortion, extended frequency response, and superior damping factor. The result is a smooth, natural sound with remarkable detail and dynamic range that brings music to life with authenticity and warmth. Built with premium components and classic blue watt meters, the MC312 is both a technical marvel and a striking centerpiece in any audio setup. It supports a wide variety of speakers with a stable output down to 2 ohms, ensuring compatibility and flexibility. In addition to its sonic excellence, the MC312 offers reliable protection circuits and robust thermal management to safeguard your investment and maintain consistent performance over time. For audiophiles seeking a combination of power, elegance, and legendary sound quality, the McIntosh MC312 remains a top-tier choice in 2025, delivering an immersive and lifelike listening experience. Number 2. The Emotiva XPA-DR2 is a powerful and versatile stereo power amplifier that delivers outstanding performance at an accessible price of $2,199. Designed for audiophiles seeking exceptional sound quality and reliability, this amplifier features a fully balanced differential design that minimizes noise and distortion for crystal-clear audio reproduction. With 200 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 350 watts into 4 ohms, the XPA-DR2 offers ample power and dynamic headroom, capable of driving a wide range of speakers with ease. Its robust build quality and carefully engineered circuitry ensure stable performance and low distortion across all volume levels. The amplifier includes premium components such as high-quality capacitors and custom wound transformers, enhancing both sound clarity and system durability. The compact and sleek chassis is complemented by intuitive front panel controls and clear LED indicators for easy monitoring. Perfect for both dedicated stereo systems and home theater setups, the Emotiva XPA-DR2 strikes a balance between power, precision, and affordability. For those who demand reliable, high-fidelity amplification without overspending, this model stands out as a compelling option in 2025. Number 1. The NAD C 298 is a high-performance stereo power amplifier that offers exceptional sound quality and robust power delivery for $2,000. Renowned for its clean, transparent audio, this amplifier uses NAD's advanced hybrid digital technology, combining Class D efficiency with the sonic clarity of Class AB amplification, delivering 185 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 340 watts into 4 ohms. The C298 provides ample power to drive a wide range of speakers with precision and control. Its low distortion and noise floor ensure detailed, natural sound reproduction across all genres of music. Designed with audiophiles in mind, the C298 features a modular design for easy upgrades, solid build quality, and extensive protection circuits to maintain reliability and longevity. The amplifier's compact form factor and minimalist styling make it suitable for any modern audio setup. For those seeking a balance between performance, value, and cutting-edge technology, the NAD C 298 stands out as the top choice in 2025, delivering a refined and immersive listening experience. Selecting the right power amplifier is essential to achieving outstanding sound quality. In 2025, the market offers a diverse range of options, from affordable models like the Crown XLS1502 to premium amplifiers such as the McIntosh MC312. Our top choice, the NAD C 298, stands out for its excellent balance of power, clarity, and value, making it perfect for most audiophiles. No matter which amplifier you choose, investing in quality equipment will enhance your listening experience with richer detail, greater dynamics, and a more immersive soundstage. Upgrade your setup and enjoy music like never before.